Hello, welcome to the mini sound series. This is the first video of the series and it is about the basic sounds of the English language. By basic sounds I mean the sounds of the letters that exist in the English alphabet. Of course, first we must understand the difference between a letter and its sound. A letter is a symbol we write to represent a sound. A letter is what we see, and its sound is what we hear. For example, when I have these two letters, what I see is the symbols, the letter A and the letter B. But what I hear when someone reads these symbols is ab, ab. Going back to the table of the letters, as you can see, they appear in three different colors. Red is for the vowels. Vowels are the letters that have the strongest voice, like A, O, and E. All blue letters are the consonants, but the dark blue consonants are those that have a voice, like B, G, D. And light blue consonants are those that have no voice, like S, P, T. So this is what we are going to do in this video. On every card that follows, you will hear the letter, its sound, a word, and you can see what this word means. And off we go! A, A, apple, apple. E, e, egg, egg. I, e, is, o, open, open. U, up, up. B, b, boy, boy. D, dog, dog. G, gift, J, jar, L, lizard, M, M, map, map. N, N, nap, nap. R, R, run, run. V, V, van, van. Z, 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 zipper, zipper. C, C, K, K, cap, cap. F, F, frog, frog. H, H, hat, hat. K, K, kiss, kiss. P, P, pen, pen. Q, Q, question, question. S, 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 sun, sun. T, 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 tunnel, tunnel. X, 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 X. Fox, fox. W, 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 W. Water, water. Y, Y. Y, Y. Yes, yes. E, E. Party, party. As you may have noticed, W comes in pink. It has a special color because although it is a consonant, it sounds as a vowel. W, W. And Y comes in pink as well because Y is a consonant, yes, and a vowel, party. See? Interesting, right? And these are the basic sounds of the English language. If you want to practice, you can do this. Even if it is a big word, you can start using the sounds that you already know. For example, k, e, cree, t, e, t, critical, cal, critical, critical. See you next time. Thanks for watching.